Now, where were we? Oh yeah, underwater. And there was this question. Luckily, being the dry tropics, it finally lived up to its name. Accessing the flood map, we find the flood level can get up to about 1/2 metre. The good news is we can mitigate the flood risk within regulation without doing an extra DA. This includes adding a little fill and constructing a retaining wall just under 1 metre in height. Simple, right? So what could possibly go wrong? Well, try water influx causing collapse. And one reason why we contracted pros who knew what they were doing.
Good, mate. It's looking good.
I guess time will tell how it worked out, and that ties into 2 reasons we're making this series. One, to show people down the track what we did and why, and 2, it might be helpful to those renovating their own place. The last stage was to level the block with runoff back to the wetlands and forward into the stormwater drain. About this stage, you've probably noticed one thing missing. Yep, the cottage. And about that, we haven't actually found one yet. But the search continues. And more about that in the next episode. See ya.